Good evening. I'm meteorologist David Keller. We've been tracking a threat for thunderstorms all day long. We've actually been pretty quiet here in the Ozarks after about the noon hour. Thunderstorms developed this morning and pushed off towards St. Louis, where they saw quite a bit of hail. Those have since dissipated. We've just been under cloudy skies here all afternoon with a warm front sitting right across that region. That warm front now lighting up with thunderstorms across Kansas and Oklahoma as the sun was setting across the Ozarks. You can see a couple of severe storms just to the northwest of Nevada, as well as some more developing in the Wichita area. Those storms are expected to expand and overspread the Ozarks later tonight. So expect a noisy night, especially north of I-44. You could really see that warm front this evening on the temperatures. We were 73 here in Springfield, 57 in Warsaw, 52 in Rolla. So that warm front sitting right through the middle of the Ozarks, and that is what's going to be focusing the thunderstorms overnight tonight. Now, part of the day we actually spent in the 50s as that front dipped to our south. As it lifted back into central Missouri, temperatures bumped all the way up to 73 here in Springfield, 77 in Harrison. So it was a warm and humid afternoon, and that humidity and that warmth will continue to fuel these thunderstorms all night long. Again, some severe weather is possible, especially across central and western Missouri, where the strongest storms are expected to be. Temperatures will remain mild, as well as southerly winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour continue to pump in that warm and moist air. So those thunderstorms across Kansas and Oklahoma expected to expand and spread into central Missouri tonight. Notice the model keeps most of that rain along and north of Highway 54 tonight, but I do think we will see at least isolated thunderstorms from northern Arkansas into southern Missouri. So everybody can expect a thunderstorm or two overnight tonight. The strongest storms, though, are going to remain across the western portions of the area, and that tornado risk should be confined to Kansas and Oklahoma. But as we head into Thursday, those temperatures that will start off in the morning in the 60s will quickly rise into the 70s. I think everybody into the middle and upper 70s by Thursday afternoon. 78 in Osage Beach, 77 here in Springfield, 76 in Branson. And like today, it will be very warm and humid. That air will feel sticky when you step outside, and that will fuel those thunderstorms in the afternoon. Most of the day should be dry and very warm, and then by about 4 to 6 o'clock, a line of thunderstorms is expected to explode just to the west of the region, and they will move into the Ozarks as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, and we're talking about large hail, damaging winds, and the potential for a couple of tornadoes. Not expecting a tornado outbreak, but definitely something you want to keep up to date on. So everybody seeing that severe weather risk Thursday afternoon, a greater risk probably for some high winds exists over the eastern Ozarks, but we will certainly be keeping an eye on the storms all across the area. So for your Thursday here in Springfield, a few showers and storms possible in the early morning hours. Should dry out by lunchtime, heating up quickly, 77 by about 4 o'clock. And then those storms begin to fire to our west. We'll be keeping an eye on them all day long. So stay with Fox KRBK for that severe weather information. Once it moves out of here, we do cool off and dry out for the weekend, and the next chance for rain comes in on Sunday. Thanks for visiting foxkrbk.com.